Segregation is the structured division of groups within a society. It can be based on identity, income, belief systems, gender roles, occupation, or social hierarchy. But beyond being a social phenomenon, segregation is spatial. It organizes human settlement patterns. When groups separate, 5 major spatial effects tend to emerge. Concentration. A group becomes densely located within a specific area. Clustering. Similar populations settle near one another, forming identifiable zones. Centralization. Certain groups occupy core areas while others are pushed outward. Unevenness. Population distribution becomes imbalanced rather than proportional. Isolation. Interaction between groups declines due to physical separation. These patterns form the geographic signature of segregation. Now consider the main structural drivers. Identity-based segregation occurs when cultural or ethnic groups cluster due to shared language, traditions, or historical exclusion. Over time, this creates homogeneous enclaves that reinforce internal cohesion and external separation. Economic segregation emerges when wealth dictates access to land. Because land has value, and value is unevenly distributed, space becomes stratified. Affluent groups occupy high-value zones. Lower-income groups concentrate in more affordable areas. Belief-based segregation develops when shared values or institutions anchor communities in particular locations. Residential patterns begin reflecting cultural alignment. Gender-based segregation influences spatial organization through differentiated mobility, labor participation, and access to public space. Urban-rural segregation operates at a macro scale. Economic opportunity pulls populations towards centers of production and services. Peripheral areas may experience stagnation or decline. The result is demographic concentration in some regions and dispersion in others. What matters most is this: segregation is both a cause and a consequence of population distribution.